Makutama. Hi, Mogal Goinkarano. Sorry. Oh, lagyata. Hi, Moja Goinkarano, Moja Istimosancha Bavano, Ani Boinano. This is, I want to tell you all. Okay, understand this fundamental. This is what I want to tell you all. आता कोणागोरी तुका गोंयांत येतलो जाल्यार येवकार मेळोंक जाय कसलो काळजांतसून येवकार मेळोंक जाय आनी हो येवकार तुका खंय मेळना स्पेशली लेजंड्स 5 मिनटाचो टायम ना हांव सगळ्या लोकां उजीर पयलेसून हांव काळजांतसून सॉरी म्हणटा तुमकां कित्याक दे वर बिजी कंप्लिटली बिजी you cannot get 2 minutes of these legendary people who they are, what they are, and why I'm here. I'm going to tell you all, have patience. But right now I just want to tell you all, ma'am and sir, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to give a time on this so-called Liberation Day, and I'm going to catch with you all because now I'm going for a short while live, but rest I won't go live because rest you need to see because this conversation will be really long. I just want to show you all the live scene. You see all the files there? These are not decorative files. This was really going on by ma'am and sir. I'm going to stay tuned to have a conversation on Liberation Day. Sir, hi.
Hi. Thank you, Ferry. Didn't know when to speak, that's the thing.
Okay, you can just share, but how did you feel that when I came here and told you about I'm here? So what was your reaction?
I thought, oh no, this is not enough time today. I'm a very, very busy person because I've got 2 days of closing of court and several matters are listed, and so I was very busy preparing, and I also got to go to the wedding of one of my members of my staff in People for Animals. So I am on my way to get dressed and go.
And so what was the schedule like?
Schedule is I will be acting as a chauffeur for my wife.
Okay, Mogal Goinkarano, coming back to the topic, since you all are still alive, so I might as well go live only. Okay, I just go live. So Mogal Goinkarano, inga kidak ela kan murid zalerao. Since today is the Liberation Day, so I just have sir and ma'am. You can come in for the same question. What I'm going to ask you all. What is your views? What is your opinion on so-called we are celebrating this Liberation Day? As you're talking, sir, or your ma'am, you all can fuse in with this answer of your own because I always take you all as a mentors and I understand all the solutions what you are providing for the local problems what we are having of Goa. It's combination of you two, and that's how the power. Okay, that's a different talk about, but what I'm saying is that the strong views of both. So what is your opinion on Liberation Day?
So should I go first?
Well, I just want to, I'll begin.
Okay.
Today is Liberation Day, all the functions are going on. Claude and Norma Alvarez sitting here with all these files on all environmental issues, daily fights in the court. When are we going to be liberated from this? We people should not be involved in this. We should be out today celebrating and dancing in the streets because of liberation, what happened in 1961. And I have no doubt that we had to be liberated from the Portuguese. There is no doubt that we had to be liberated, we had to be set free, and we had to join India. There is no doubt about it. But we wanted to celebrate. And today, all the best citizens of Goa are only sitting at home, studying files, trying to find out how to protect the environment, how to protect Mole from being devastated by these projects, how to protect the villages of South Goa from being, divided into two by double tracking of these railway projects, and everything that you can see, hill cutting, filling of paddy fields, nakane sangi ghara bantat, everywhere they are putting up these houses, selling to people all over the world at huge prices. And not one single Goan couple who wants to get married today can find even one room in which to stay because there is no land available. And Sogle Bacha Logang Dila Sarkar doesn't have any vision whatsoever of how to look at what is this thing that we are celebrating. And why is the young people not dancing in the streets? Only because today in the papers they are only reading about only one type of dancing. That is one political party to another political, from BJP to Congress to JFP, JF to TMC. Dance, dancing, salwa.
Absolutely.
And there's nothing else. The celebration, I have no interest in whatsoever. That is why we are today at home, peacefully doing our work, because we want nothing to do with this type of celebration.
Absolutely. Ma'am, you like to?
Yes, no.
Well, see, I'm a little more sober. See, the word liberation, wherever it is a wonderful word. It's freedom. It's emancipation. If anything is happening which says I'm liberated, it is to be applauded. It is to be celebrated, because you are liberated from colonial rule rightly. You have to be liberated from old and past prejudices. You have to be liberated from the ways of doing things which were once done and no longer are relevant. So liberation, if it's Liberation Day, I feel happy to start with, because it means you are free. You have moved yourself higher. Unfortunately, liberation as today, as we see it around, does not call for really a celebration, because in reality, apart from white people going and brown people being in charge of affairs, we really don't see what our people in 1961 thought we would make of Goa. We don't see that we Goans are really in charge of what is happening. We see that there are a new set of persons who are unofficially running the show over here. And in that sense, we have got rid of the colonial power, but we are not really liberated, because we are not calling the shots. We are not able to decide for ourselves what we want, or at any rate, what we want and what you see in the papers. What the Goans want is not what somebody else wants, and their views are imposed upon us. As Claude says, Mole was an agitation with the young people of Goa took Goa by storm. And yet, we still have that hanging over our heads. Will those projects happen or not, and so on. We see a totally unedifying sight in the political arena. People are discussing politics. Who to vote for? We should have known by now who to vote for. We should have had an idea, but the one person we think to vote for jumps to another party. So we don't know whom to vote for. So this is hardly a liberation. We seem to be enslaved in a different way.
Absolutely, ma'am. हांव मातसो म्हजो व्यू दिता हांकां लोकांक, बिकॉज हांवूय मातसो तापलो मरे आतां आयकोन ह्यो गजाल्यो. ओके, तेंके लोकांक मरे जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, देखून हांव तुमच्या फुडल्यानूच बसून हांव सांगता तांकां लोकांक. Okay, my beautiful people, as you can see this profound message, this message from the heart, this is the message, it's really burning in individual youth heart. Why? Because exactly, sir, एक वर्स पयलीं ह्याच पॉलिटिशियनान, ह्याच ऑथॉरिटीन, ह्याच मिनिस्टरान म्हाका भितर घाललो. You all have arrested because voicing up suppress करून दवरता तुम्ही. आणि जाऊन साहेबा आमचे वाले फकत उलोवंक वयतले कित्याक आमचे वाले यूथ भायर आहा, बट somebody is working on the papers and the policies and to make this change. आणि हे जावन आसलेले सगळे आमच्या गोंयकार भावा भयणां हांव कित्याक सांगता, आमकां बॉलिवूड पळोवपाची गरज आसा मरे. सगळे बॉलिवूड पळयता आनी सगळे आमी हिरो जातात. ओके, हे हिरोगिरी एक एकलो चितात आमी कसले मेसेजीन भायर सरतले, कसली मेसेज घेवन आमी आमचे गोंय सांबाळटले. हिरोगिरी म्हणजे कितें? लायफ हिरो आणि हिरोईन फुडल्यान ना बरं तुमच्या, आणि कितें पळोवंक जाय तुमकां आयकात. सो सर and madam, this was one question to you all about what is your opinion on liberation. What does liberation mean to you all as a personal level? This was relating the policies, this was relating the politics, this was relating the region, the Goa, the state and the country. Now I'm asking you, what does liberation purely means to individual, you all as individual?
Well, we feel we are liberated already. I don't feel that I am enslaved in any manner. I feel I am a liberated woman. I do the things that I want to do. My life, my work is my choice. My marriage was my choice. My children and their upbringing, and that I stayed home for 10 years to look after them and bring them up, was my choice. Our choice, you can say, because a lot of things that we do, we are constantly discussing with each other. I don't have this feminist view of I run things my way and you run things your way. We do gardening every evening. We work with our hands. So we work with our heads in the morning and we work with our hands in the evening.
Amazing.
I cook food myself. So I do not feel unliberated in any way. I am a perfectly liberated woman.
Amazing, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. That makes perfect example to the rest of the women around. So, what is liberation for you?
No, we have to, we are in a certain sense, as he says, liberation is something where you have to examine whether you are living in a cage or outside a cage. Whether you are in a panjara or outside a panjara. Today we feel somehow mentally that we are in the panjara, because suppose you say something, Mr. Amit Shah will object. Because he is Home Minister, he says he can decide whatever everybody should think and all that.
Yes.
So the whole population that way is very worried about what they say. So we are in that panjara, one panjara. Then the other panjara is all our, the impressions we have got from all these Western countries of how successful life should be, how we should dress, how we should talk in English, we should talk in this way, that way, we should wear this type of clothes, we should do that. Now that is conflicting with the way we were brought up. So our effort is also try to see how we can restore, be a bit more relaxed about these things, about the first we always thought that the good food is coming because of Mac burgers and all those type of things that came from US. But now again we are being liberated because now we discovered all our traditional foods, our traditional plants, our traditional chickens, ducks, everything now. So again that is another form of liberation. So recovering our sense of ourselves. Now that we have tried to do by being rooted in a village. In Parra village. So that we are in a certain sense enabled to think freely. If you were in Delhi, we cannot do any of these things. Whereas in Bombay, you cannot do. But here in the village, you can do. You are free. Nobody is going to, people are passing by. They know that you know them. They know you. So there is a certain peace. There is no threat. There is no fear. There is certain sense total security. So in that envelope, you can get out of the panjara pole. You can get not panjara pole, panjara. And look, like when these chickens, when you put them in a cage and keep them for a few days, and then you allow them to go out, they are not willing to go out.
No.
They say, "Then bostat." Then slowly one fellow comes out. Then the third day he comes. Then after fourth day, they are all waiting at the gate. So this is the way it is with human beings also. When we see what is outside.
You can answer me, no? Yes.
So that liberation I wish everybody will get one day. We are also working towards it. We help other people also to work towards it. How to get out of the panjara. And as a person, from all these things that are all the time telling you what to do, how you should think, what you should eat, what you should wear and so on, to come back to a sense of self-discovery and how best to be comfortable with yourself.
Absolutely. So you can answer it, no problem. Dinesh Dice, somebody.
I have one question we can see.
Yeah, Dinesh.
So my beautiful people, as you heard on the optimistic ground, what does liberation means they are very busy right now, so I have to carry on with my work and I'd let you go. This is the message what I want to tell you all as an optimistic way. Liberation, how you get the sustainability of you, of yourself, of your family, of your neighbors and community as heard. Oh boy. I just wanted to show you their ducks. Ducks. Boy, this is the reality. This is the reality of the pinjre. And I'm gonna show. Okay. Danger, re baba. And this. Oi to baba baro baba baro baro puta moja baro. This is the reality of आमची तांबडी भाजी, आवची भाजी, घोसाई आणि आमचे ते बैंगन आणि हे क्लोडाल बरेचशे घर आणि मोग आणि एकूट होत वाटिया मोगाल गोइंग कारण stay tuned for understanding what is your opinion on liberation and what does liberation mean to you. Mogaso once again.